Alright, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the serpentine belt on the power steering pump. Now the other one I'm not going to be showing you in this video because obviously that one is pretty obviously easy to get to compared to the stretch belt. Now this one's kind of like as a little quick tip, you're going to need about 3 to 4 zip ties. Now if it's like really skinny zip ties, then you're probably going to need quite a few. These are like decent size, so about like a 1/4 inch, I would say about that, probably right around there, 1/4 inch thick. So these guys are pretty decent. I got 3 of those on, and coming right up here, I'm just gonna kind of show you. So you're gonna go ahead and wrap your belt around this first, and obviously you're gonna have to take off your wheel. This is literally the only way you're going to be able to do it, and take off your inner fender liner. All right, so once you get that, what I would recommend to do is slap on the zip ties first. What I mean by that is that I would just put I'll just start sliding in the zip ties in, and then I'll just have 3 right there, and then once I had them all hanging, I would wrap them around the belt. Just kind of gives you an idea of how I did it. Then you're gonna need an 18mm for the crank bolt, and then pretty much you're gonna have your hand here at the same time just to kind of guide the belt, so it doesn't try to run off the actual pulley itself. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, so while I'm rotating the crank, it's gonna be kind of hard to show this, so I'm gonna try to do it without putting my hand there. So I'm rotating it, and right now it stopped, so I'm gonna have to have my hand there. So the camera's in the way, so let's see if I can do this. All right, so there we go. It's starting to catch. Keep paying attention, make sure the belt's not coming off. So you're gonna start feeling some pretty good resistance. And there we have it. The belt's already on. All right, cool. So we have the belt on, and that's pretty much it. And then you're just gonna kind of get a blade or some knives to go ahead and cut that right off. But as you can see, literally we have the belt on. Let me show you around. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.